Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai. Welcome back to the showroom. Virtually 2017 Hyundai Accent local trade. Great little vehicle, hatchback, so versatile, fuel efficient, 4-cylinder, local trade. Lots going for it. These have been such a great seller, especially if you're looking for the hatchback. It gives you that little bit extra cargo space. And this one's in really nice shape. It's the GL automatic, probably our most popular package. It's all about getting the things you need, or not the things you need, maybe not the things you want. So again, all of the most important features are in this vehicle. So we'll do a quick walk around the outside. I've got it running. I usually don't, but it is really hot out today, so I want to make sure when I get in there I'm not going to roast. So again, really sharp vehicle. Oh, I forgot to unlock it. Let's unlock that vehicle. What happens when you're all right. Here we go. So good sized trunk. Woohoo! You get all the WeatherTech liners. So WeatherTech liners come with it. You got the rubber mat in the back. WeatherTech liners, that's probably almost a $400 accessory right there. And they are basically laser cut to go around all of the carpets. So basically you just take them out, rinse them off, put them back in. They are amazing. If you've never had them, try them. You got a little privacy cover here that can be removed as well for additional, if you need additional cargo room. And those seats are split folding as well. So again, split folding seats, you got anchors, you got privacy cover, you've got WeatherTech mats. Lots of things are going right for this car. Let's look at the back. Cloth seats, all in really nice shape. Carpets are in nice shape. Sorry, the seats are. So again, you can see carpets, power windows in the rear. So again, carpets, power windows, nice cloth seats, no rips, tears, or burns. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, locking rear windows as well. Keep the kids safe. You have an adjustable driver's seat up, down, move back piece, obviously front to back, and then the whole seat with a lever underneath moves front to back as well. All right, now that I've cooled myself down, turn this down. So again, you got some additional features. We can zoom in here. You got active eco, so you can drive it in the most efficient manner possible. You have traction control, which you can shut off, and you can also adjust your interior illumination on the vehicle. On the steering wheel, you've got all your volume controls, Bluetooth hands-free calling as well, voice recognition, and your cruise control. So all the meat and potatoes are on the steering wheel, which is really great as a driver. Air conditioning, obviously standard on this vehicle. You got heated seats, 2-stage on both sides. You've got some auxiliaries and inputs down here. Rear defrost, your hazards, very simplistic. Again, I love these vehicles, and only 49,000 kilometers, so very has been driven very little. Again, local trade, low kilometers. Let me just check here. XM satellite radio capabilities.
In the App Store.
So if you have an XM satellite radio subscription, you can transfer it over, or if you'd like to try it, this vehicle will give you the ability to do so. So again, XM radio, AM, FM, obviously, CD player. So if you got those burn CDs, don't throw them out. This could be a great vehicle for you. Cloth's in nice shape. Dash is in nice shape. Overall, in very nice shape, low kilometers. 2017 Hyundai Accent GL automatic, hatchback, factory warranty, 5 years or 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Lots of standard features. Don't miss out. Shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com. And obviously, make sure you follow us on Facebook. Very important. Lots of giveaways. So whether you're in the market for a car or not, make sure you follow us. We give away. We give. We love to give. Again, look forward to seeing you soon for your next new or pre-owned vehicle purchase.